Introducing Caturai, Sisbania grandiflora of the family Fabaceae. Caturai is a small to medium-sized tree to 10 meters tall. Leaves are even pinnate. Leaflets are numerous, oblong, obtuse, pale green with an entire margin. Flowers are in short, axillary racemes 6 to 9 centimeters long, wide. Pods are pendulous, long and narrow, somewhat curved. Katurai is indigenous to India, Mauritius, the Malay Peninsula, and Australia. It was introduced to the Philippines in prehistoric times. The flowers are edible. It is propagated by seeds. The various parts of Katurai exhibit a broad range of pharmacological activities, combating diseases such as nyctalopia, fever, constipation, headache, diabetes, anemia, microbial infections, tuberculosis, leprosy, urinary stones, gout, bronchitis, pain, liver disorders, and tumors.